Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we will discuss about how we can get current URL in Magento 2. So this video is sponsored by Cloudways. So here we will use Object Manager. So in Object Manager, you can see how we can integrate everything I will tell you this video. Also you will get this link in descriptions area. So guys, here you can see we have the constructor. Inside of the constructor we need to define the URL interface. After that we need to declare as a private URL interface this variable basically, and here you can see we have already assigned like this way, like a object way $this URL interface, and here we have a variable which we already declared here, right? And here we have a function which is a get current URL, and this get current URL, what we're doing, we are returning this value. So this is a basic information about to get the value. So we have a variable here, and in the side variable we calling directly like this way, URL interface and get URL, get current URL this way, right? So this is the way to get a current URL. So this is a very simple way I explained you. If you need any other help related to this video, let me know. I will create a separate video for you.
This video is sponsored by Cloudways. In Cloudways, you can host your Magento portal. If you don't know how you can host your portal, let me know. Definitely, I will create a separate video for you. So complete series also I will create. So also, this video is sponsored by Cloudways. If you're looking good hosting platform, if you're facing any challenges with any different kind of platform, this is really good for you, because you don't need to worry about all configurations. You need to set up within 5 or 7 minutes something. You can host your website. It's really simple as compared to any service provider, because you need to put something next, and you need to put some configurations. Your website will be host within 7 minutes something. This is the important features in Cloudways. Also, you have options to your website, your host to your website in different kind of service provider like AWS, like Google Cloud Computing, DigitalOcean, Linode, other platforms. So this is the key features. Depend on your budget, you can select DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS and Google Cloud Computing. Also, you no need to worry about SSL certificate, because in Cloudways you will get free SSL certificate. Also, sometimes we facing problem in AWS, any other service provider, but here you will get 24/7 support. If you anytime you particular facing problem, you can get quickly. It's not about any holiday something, because Cloudways providing 24/7 support. So this is the key features I'm telling you. You no need to worry about anything. Everything you will get in Cloudways. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.